kidding.
How do I get gorilla coins?
How do I get gorilla
You
coins?
have to play
bro.
every day.
Green. Guys, I just want to hear what this dude said.
Blue.
Every day you get
Blue, I'm
gorilla
white.
coins.
Blue, I'm black.
What we called gorilla coins, bro? It's called
Bro, are you
shiny
lying?
rocks.
What do you mean what?
What do you mean what? So that's cool.
I don't know, this dude's high.
Pink. Pink. Pink.
What do you mean what? What do you mean cares?
Here, I'm gonna unmute
We
her.
do not care.
Did you hit?
Oh no, she
Did-
left.
Blue.
Meet me in the
Hold on.
when I get up to the treehouse. Meet me in the.
Oh, you left. I was
God, this is gorilla tag. Why are you asking for Robux here?
Robot here.
I'm not trying to be rude. Sound like a fucking girl.
Oh my god, I'm so
Red.
mad.
No,
This is
no,
funny.
Bye.
Green.
Uncentered. That's actually so
No hacks.
Yeah, totally.
Give me
No hacks at all.
No hacks,
no
no
hacks,
hacks, no hacks.
He don't even know how to use
No
Robux.
hacks. Yo.
You don't even use a gaming chair. No hacks involved, guys. No hacks involved.
10 times gorilla tag ghosts were banned.
What is this kid doing, bro?
Hey guys, shit is coming. Yo, you guys suck. You get better,
This
kid.
kid right
Get
here,
tagged,
the
boy.
PvP has no hacks. No hacks.
Bro, I just got the game, bro. I just got the meta quest. Okay, I don't care. This is fun. This is for fun. Dude, this is for fun.
W gaming chair, bro. W gaming chair, bro. W gaming chair.
Driven dad.
Guys, come here.
Take this.
Yo, it's long arms.
pass on.
Yeah, boy, get out of here, boy. You suck. You suck, little
Down.
monkey. You suck, little monkey.
How was the last one, please? Yo, is there 3 of us in this game, or is it just me?
Oh no, that's really sad.
Bro, that's inappropriate, bro.
There, bro. It happens to everyone who is boy.
Ooh.
I'm gonna report you. I don't know. No. Camper, nigga, bro. Actual campers. I'm actually tired of these dumbass campers, bro. Niggas, bro.
Do not say that.
Shut up, dumbass,
They
bro.
were gonna report.
Yeah, I'm gonna report.
They said they were gonna report just because they.
Yo, he just left. he just left.
I was about to report that, man.
You're really stand
Bop.
Bada.
Bro, just burped.
My fault.
Where's Bingo?
Where's this?
Yo,
Where's this last guy?
Does anybody always do it a lot? Bop. 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 Gorilla tag?
This man's on top of some things that
Gorilla tag should actually
cosmetic.
Oh!
He's on
Where's
top.
cosmetic is a great way to decorate
You
a
know.
character. Or monkey. How much percentage am I in? Hold on. Is
Jump
it
him, guys.
tagline?
Beat him up.
Okay, I'm in 14. I'm gonna go save. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah, get him, guys.
Guys,
Gorilla Tag, I can't touch the ground.
I killed that man. I killed
Bro,
him.
does somebody want those
Oh,
top
oh.
with me?
We're in this together, partner.
Somebody want those top with me? Wait, you just patted me. What? No, wait, you want those top with me? Oh.
Kylie.
Kit Kat. Hello.
my arm. Yeah. Bro, you want those top with me? You want those top with me?
The lock-up game.
That's fine.
The lock-up game.
No. No.
Purple. Does somebody want those top with me?
Bro, nobody even touched me.
You want those top with me? Down!
What?
You want those top with me?
What?
Dad, do you want those top with me?
You want a bloody little monkey?
Oh
wait, yeah, we're in this together, mate. We're in this together.
How you on?
They're hacking. Behind you. I can literally tell you any second.
Brian, do you come with me? Yes? Come on, follow me.
Can I play some?
Shut up! Oh my body. Oh my gosh, I missed.
No, I see you. Bro, I hate long people.
So, we're joining the tiptoe.
They just ruined the game.
This is how you spell it. T? Wait, where's the T?
We're doing
tiptoe. T?
We're doing tiptoe.
I? P? Does it say I, P, I mean,
Bro, there's not
I,
no tiptoe.
T, T-I-P? Already? Yes, it does say
Nothing
T-I-P. There.
Huh?
And
Stop,
right.
press this.
Another T?
Join the
Another T? Yes, another T. T-I-P. T-I-P.
For what?
Oh, I said tiptoe. T,
Yeah.
I mean T-I-P, P-O-P. Wait, so is there supposed to be, T-I-P-I-T?
Oh my god.
Yes, got him. So, I'm from a vegan. T-I-P,
Oh, that's amazing.
T-O-P-E. T-O-P. Dad, what are we doing? Wait, what are we doing? Just say all of it. Just say all of it.
What
Wait,
about
what are we doing?
Oh my gosh, I messed up.
T-O-P.
How did you tag me?
Yes. I think No, you're not. Tassel. Put on tassel. Before you join the toad. Okay, does anybody have tiptoe? Tiptoe. Got it? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
What are you talking about? I just joined.
Press it.
Oh my god. Okay, hold on.
I'm
Where's everybody?
What do you mean?
Guys, I have the stick. I have the stick. I have the stick, everybody. I have the stick. Yeah, I do.
The pieces of a billion to the sky.
do a video.
Well, I don't want it because you're being too rude to me. Find you.
We're not fine.
What?
What are you doing?
Okay.
What are you doing, guys?
Wait, who has the stick?
Oh God, come on.
Wait a bit.
B 0 9
I hear this.
F V.
Wait, who
Right
has the
around.
stick? Who has the stick? Who has the stick? Talk.
I messed up. No, you.
No,
Yeah,
no,
no,
monkey.
no.
No monkey. What?
Marty the Shred.
Right there.
Marty, you're an idiot.
Bro, why are you guys scared, bro? He's literally just driving his car.
Nobody's scared. Like, actually, get on it.
Bro, why are you guys calling out his name, bro? All he's doing is driving his car.
What the hell?
See, bro,
Rufus
he's
is an
driving his
idiot.
car in peace.
What the shit?
Rufus is an idiot.
What the shit? What the hell?
See, bro, he's driving his car in peace.
That's good.
He's driving his car. For everybody. You little weirdo.
Whoever gets
See, bro?
Next. Watch him.
See, bro, he's just driving his car, bro. Why are you scared?
Nobody's scared.
Rufus,
Oh my
teleport
God.
right in front of my
Okay,
face.
Bro,
Right
this guy's
now.
scared.
You. Teleport
Whoever
right in
gets
front of my
touched
face.
next.
Nobody's
Right here.
scared.
Right here.
Bro, are you gonna get afraid that you run over?
Because you're bad. You can't.
Bro, nobody's scared.
Where's he gonna say?
No, bro. He drove his car onto the map. He's driving his car.